Family reunions are a great way to keep in touch with your extended family and teach your children about your family heritage. Usually families figure out a date that is convenient and a place that isn't too far from everyone's home. That can be a very difficult thing to try to organize and is the number one reason family reunions don't happen as much as everyone would like. Family members can be very busy or just not be able to take time off work. Sometimes, someone might not even like the family and just skip the whole thing anyway. There are tons of things to do to get ready for a family reunion. Communication is the most important aspect of the planning process. If everyone isn't in touch with each other, that is the first order of business. After you pick a date, you have to agree on a place. It could be the home of an older relative or just someone who has the biggest house or maybe a theme park. Food is always a factor at family reunions, and whether you decide to have a barbecue or a catered meal, everyone loves to eat. Family reunions always have their ups and downs, but they can be great, and make many wonderful memories for future family reunions.